YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about main engine component material. So we need to know some of the basic materials of the main engine. What are the components or material used for the main engine? So let's see in detail. So engine component. So for exhaust valve we use pneumonic material. For exhaust valve we use pneumonic material. Then for exhaust valve seat we use MO steel with stellate coating, and exhaust valve cage we use pearlite casting. So mainly exhaust means exhaust valve seat, exhaust valve cage. So exhaust valve we use pneumonic, and for valve seat we use MO steel with stellate coating. Then valve cage we use pearlite casting. So then cylinder head cover. Cylinder head cover means lamellar casting. Cylinder head cover. Then piston crown, piston skirt, piston rod, piston ring. So these all came in one category. So that means piston crown cast steel, piston skirt. So we use cast iron. Piston skirt we use cast iron. Then piston rod forged steel, Then piston ring vermicular cast iron, piston ring. Then cylinder liner we use spheroidal cast iron. So for cylinder liner we use spheroidal cast iron. Then tie rod we use mild steel. For tie rod we use mild steel. So engine component means exhaust valve we use pneumonic, exhaust valve seat we use MO steel with standard coating, exhaust valve cage we use pearlite cast iron, cylinder head cover we use lamellar cast iron, piston crown we use cast steel, piston skirt we use cast iron, piston rod we use forged steel, piston ring we use vermicular cast iron, cylinder liner we use spheroidal cast iron, then tie rod we use mild steel. Then entablature we use cast iron, we use cast iron, stuffing box rings we use bronze, crosset bearing we use tin AL white metal thin shell bearing, cutting rod we use mild or medium steel, for cutting rod we use mild or medium steel, crankpin bearing we use white metal bearing, then crankshaft web we use 0.2 to 0.4% carbon mild steel, we use 0.2 to 0.4% carbon mild steel. So entablature we use cast iron, stuffing box rings we use bronze, crosset bearing we use tin AL white metal thin shell bearing, cutting rod we use mild or medium steel, crankpin bearing we use white metal bearing, crankshaft web we use 0.2 to 0.4% carbon mild steel. Main bearing we use thin shell white metal bearing, saddle we use cast steel, bed plate we use cast iron or forged steel, A-frame we use forged steel, So these are the basic main engine component material. So thank you.